Hi friends, Angela here and welcome to my video. Today I have a really fun thrift haul for you. My mom was here last weekend and we did some thrift shopping together. We went down to the Goodwill bins. If you don't know what that is, it's where you buy thrifted goodies by the pound. So we found a lot of really cool stuff there and I'm happy and having fun showing you guys. So let's get started with the haul. The first items I'm going to share with you guys are the clothing items I found there. And the first item I have to share with you guys is this teal colored long sleeve tee. It's not very exciting, but fall is around the corner and I'm planning on doing a lot of layering with my clothing, so I picked this guy up. It is Apartment 9 Essentials brand, which I've never heard of that brand, but I grabbed it up anyway, of course. I'm not going to be including any of the prices in with this video because I did buy it by the pound, so I'm not going to weigh each item separately, but I spent about $30 there total. The next item I picked up is another long sleeve tee with the same purpose of layering this winter and fall, but I really liked it. It's kind of a tie-dye. It's gray and black, but it kind of looks like it has some lightning in there, which I thought was really neat. But this one will be fun to do the layering as well. And this one is LUR, I believe, organic, made in the USA. The next item I have up here is this really cute leopard print sweater. It's from Sweet Romeo. Another brand I've never heard of, but that never stops me from picking up something I just like. But it's leopard print. It's kind of a lightweight sweater, and I plan on wearing it a lot this winter and fall especially. So I'm really excited to say that I am going to be opening up an online store of some kind real soon in the future. So I have some items here that I'm going to be including in that store. And when it is up and running, I will post the links to the items down below so you guys can grab these guys up for yourselves. So the first item I have is this gorgeous blue kimono robe. It's just beautiful, you guys. So I grabbed this one up. The details are gorgeous. And it is Saidemei, brand. And it even had the belt attached. Now when you go to the Goodwill bins, everything is by the pound, but if you purchased a certain amount of items, it actually is less in price. So when my mom and I were up at the counter, they told us that we could actually pick up 10 more pounds for the same amount of money that we are about to spend. So we went back and found some fun stuff and had some fun just finding some goofy things. So I picked this one up. This is an apron, and you guys, this is hilarious. Look at this. And it has fringe. Oh my gosh. Okay. How silly is this? I cannot promise I will not, or I will be wearing this in some of my future DIYs, but I had to pick it up. And speaking of DIYs, when I was there looking around, I picked up a couple items that I'm planning on doing some DIYs on my channel here very soon. So the first thing I picked up were these jeans. They're just a light wash pair of jeans, kind of a boyfriend jean, but they're Gloria Vanderbilt. Made in Kenya. But I picked these up because I've been seeing a lot of Pinterest posts about painting denim. So I want to try that out real soon in my channel, so watch for that, you guys. And the next item I have is this olive colored jacket. This was an Eddie Bauer jacket. I picked this one up. I'm going to be adding some patches and probably some fringe to the back of it. I'm really inspired by There She Goes channel, and on that channel did a DIY to a jacket similar to this, so I'm hoping to have one of those of my own, but I'm going to post the link to her video with her jacket down below so you guys have an idea of what I'm trying to make, and then watch for that on my channel coming up real soon. The next items I have are accessories. I picked up 2 scarves there. This one was just adorable. It has little pugs on it. I don't know if I'm just going to keep it as a scarf or maybe make a pillow out of it in the near future, but I thought it was adorable, so I grabbed it. And the next one my mom actually found. She showed it to me and then I scooped it right up, but it is this John Wayne scarf. And it is Angel and the Bad Man, John Wayne.
You came back?
Yes.
Why?
I don't know exactly.
Why did you go away without saying anything?
I don't know that exactly either.
I think it was because I frightened you. I know that sounds strange that I should frighten you, but I mean it. You were frightened because I was stupid, and you thought that living with me would be tiresome and dull after a while. Tiresome and dull because all I knew, raised since a baby here on the farm, was our belief that people love, marry, and stay together forever after that. Oh, I'm not such a fool not to know that outside in worldly places people love it. It doesn't have to follow that they marry and stay together forever. I know that sometimes they separate.
Are you ever going to run down and let me talk?
No, Court, that's what you were afraid of, that I'd tie myself around your neck, and when you got tired, you couldn't be rid of me. And I made up my mind, if you came back, I'd tell you this, that whatever you want, Court, you can be.
If I go away, you go with me. If I go away, he go with me.
But of course, John Wayne, so I grabbed this one up. I love the colors, I love the vintage look, so it's probably going to be something in my shop I have soon, so again, you guys watch for that. And the third item was something that I picked up there at the very end when we were looking around just trying to fill our basket, but I picked up this military hat, and I think I'll be doing a DIY to this coming soon, maybe adding some embroidery or something to that, but it's just this hat in really good condition. The next category I have are shoes. I found 3 pairs of shoes there. The first pair are these denim slippers, and then they have the leather ribbon bow, and then embroidery on the side and the front, and then the soft stuff in the middle. I thought it was so cute, you guys. I was happy to grab these ones. I don't see a brand, but anyway, I picked those ones up. The second pair of shoes I picked up are these moccasin style shoes. I think I'm going to be throwing these into my shop, online shop here soon, but I picked them up. I love the fringe and the detail on the side, and they are in really good condition. They are brand DV, another brand I've never heard of, but I picked those ones up. And the third and my favorite pair of shoes I found there were these beautiful purple suede booties, you guys. I wore these yesterday to the Portland Saturday Market, and I just love them. Detail on the side. These I'm going to be keeping for myself. I found these and loved them, but they are Old Navy brand, actually. Okay, moving on to housewares. This is kind of a houseware. I'm going to put this in this category, but at the Goodwill bins, there are some items that are priced individually, and books were included. I think hardback books were $2.50, $2.30, something like that, but I picked this one up. I'm going to be adding it to my vintage book collection. It is Hans Christian Andersen Fairy Tales, but I just love the detail on the cover. I think it'll be a great piece to have and just kind of show off in decorative purposes as well. I grabbed that one. And the next item I have is this beautiful box here. I think I'm going to be using it for my earrings or rings, but I thought it was beautiful. I love the detail and the colors. When my mom and I first arrived at the Goodwill, we kind of went over to the glassware section. It is by the pound as well, but it is differently priced. I think it's a little bit cheaper because it's heavier, but I found these beautiful vases there, vase. Anyway, this pair with the beautiful crane on the front. I love the beautiful orangey red color of these and the fact that they were in a pair. This is another item I think I'm going to be putting in my store, so if you like these guys, watch for that. So again, looking through the glassware section, I think my mom actually found this one, this beautiful red-orange like soup bowl, but I plan on using this for plants, cactuses, and things. While I was at the Saturday Market yesterday, I did pick up a couple of cacti that I'm going to be putting in this. I would love to get one for this that has the beautiful same color sprouts on the end or blooms, but we'll see. And the next item is another similar item to that one, but it's another soup bowl, but again, I plan on putting plants in this one. I love the beautiful color, the white and the blue and the flowers. It's very vintage, kind of retro style. So I plan on adding some plants to this one. Now my mom, if you guys know her, she is an amazing shopper. She always finds the best things. So she found this and she gave it to me. It is hilarious. I think I'm going to be adding a plant to this guy, but it is Crazy Cat Lady Cup. And it's a paw and it's so cute. It's kind of dirty still, but it has the paw on the bottom. I thought it was adorable. What a cute little find. This one she found as well. She found it for my 9-year-old. Who couldn't resist SpongeBob, you guys? How fun is that? I just love having fun and funky cups in the house. My dishes don't need to match because it's too much fun. But we have that one. And this cup I found there. I think this is the first thing I grabbed while I was at the Goodwill that day, but it is not my circus, not my monkey's cup, and this is a good one to have in the house. Last cup I have to show you my mom found. This one is super fun. Oh my gosh, how about bringing back memories? But it's this Kool-Aid cup. I mean, this is the real deal, you guys. It's plastic, but I thought this was really cool. And the very last category I have to share with you guys is movies. Movies there are another thing that's individually priced. I think they're about $2, $2.50 there, but I picked up 3 movies. The first movie I have never seen, but it's something I've been wanting to watch. Back in the day when it came out, it was all the rage. So it is Slumdog Millionaire. I have not seen this yet, but I plan on watching it very soon. The next movie I have is Big with Tom Hanks. I showed this to my 9-year-old the other day. He thought it was pretty cool, but talk about bringing back memories. The whole thing about not having a phone or a cell phone, my son was just like, what? So I thought that was really funny. And the last movie I was super happy to find. I've been going to the thrift stores, and when I'm there, I'm looking in their DVD collections because I'm trying to find some old movies out there. So I got Edward Scissorhands with Johnny Depp. I have not watched this yet, but of course I've seen it before. I haven't watched it yet, but I plan on watching it really soon. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I had so much fun showing you guys. I had so much fun shopping for all this fun stuff. If you did, give it a thumbs up. That really helps me out. If you enjoyed our content and want to see more by us and want to know about the store that I'm going to be opening up soon, or what we have going on for future videos, or watching those DIYs I have coming up soon, subscribe, and then I will see you guys very soon. Alright, bye!